Array means collection of memory locations which can share same data name and can store the same data type values. Array is also called as homo- homogeneous homogeneous data structures. Future of arrays. An array is derived data type. First point. An array an array is derived data type. Second point. It is used to represent a collection of element of the same data type. Third point. The elements can be accessed with a base address or index, and subscripts the subscripts define the position define the position of the element. Fourth point, in array the elements are stored in contiguous contiguous memory locations. The string memory locations is represented by the array name, and it is known as the base address of the array. It is easy to refer the array element by simple increment by the simply incrementing the value of the subscripts. Limitations. One first point, array increase length and complexity of the program. Second point, array will vast the memory space in several cases. Third point, if we want to keep the element of the collection of order and insert a new value in, in its correct position or remove it, then for each such operation we may need to move we may need to move many elements are on the average half of the element of the array. This is very inefficient. The, this is very inefficient. Third point. Fourth point. An array is a static data structure. After declaring an array, impossible. It is impossible to change its size. Thus, 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 sometimes memory space are misused. Fifth point. Each element of array are of some data type as well as same time sorry same size. We can not work with elements of different data type. Sixth point, array is a static and structure, thus the number of elements can be stored in our some show fixed. The array elements are accessed. Explain. Array means collection of memory locations which can share same data name, and can store the same data type values. Array is also called as homogeneous data structure. For instance, for instance, the statement int marks function of 10 close function. defines defines an array by the name marks that can hold a maximum of 10 elements. The individual individual elements of an array are accessed and manipulated using the array name followed by their index. The mark stored in the first subject has marks function 9 dot. In this case, a skewness of 10 integers representing the marks stored one after another in memory. The arrays can be used to represent a vector matrix, etc. Array definition: like other normal variables, the array variable must be defined before it is used. The syntax for defining an array is shown below. Data type, array name, array size. In the definition, the array name must be a valid C variable followed by an integer value enclosed in square brackets. The integer variable indicates the maximum number of elements the array can hold. The following are some valid array definition statement. Int marks function 100 close slash integer array of size 100 float char name function 30 slash character array of size 50 integer function 10 comma a function 10 b function 50 c function 5 dots slash define there slash define 3 arrays accessing array elements once an array variable is defined, its elements can be accessed by using an index. The syntax for accessing array elements is shown below. Array name or index. To access particular elements in the array, specify the array name followed by an integer context or variable enclosed within square brackets. The array index indicates the elements of the array which has to be accessed for instancing the expression age function for access the fifth elements of the array age. Note that in an array of the n elements, the first element is indexed by 0 and the last element of an array is indexed by n1 n1 array intelligence array intelligence arrays can be intelligent arrays can be intelligent at the point for their definitions as follows: data type array name, function array size equal to function flower bracket list of values separated by comma function bracket flower bracket close. For instance, that statement into marks function 5 equal to flower bracket 65 85 99 76 57 flower bracket close. Define an array of integer size 5. In this case, the first element of array marks is initialized with 65, second with 85, and on and so on and so on and so on. A semicolon always follows the closing brace. The array size may be omitted 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 when the array is initialized when the is initialized whether when the array is initialized during array definition as follows: into marks function bracket equal to 65 85 99 76 57. In this case, the compiler assumes the array size to be equal to the number of elements enclosed within the choral brace. Hence, in the above statement, the size of the array is considered as 5. Example: has include less than istrom dot h greater than has include less than con io dot h greater than void main closed function and flower bracket into a 50 function 50 comma I comma n dots. So friends, any doubt in comment section is mention you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.